So that's what the root problem is, because so they get to abuse their power of the uniform. They're not powerful, those people. All traffic coppers are very useless, including Gagash. They are useless. Even police officers, they are very useless. The only time where we get like Maphorisa, look what
Vakhandle Group lo intlawa lowu nga ku heleketaka evuvuseleni bya wena hi ndlela yo hlawuleka naswona u nga ha tlhela vuyeriwa wa ha ri kwala misaveni. Swiyenge swa Vakhandle Group swi katsa leswi: muganga basic laha u joyinaka 50 rand u vuyeriwa hi 5000 rand, u kuma tende na 100 wa switulu. Mobile toilet, muganga unveiling benefits u kuma 5000 rand, lodi yin'we ya tihunyi, decoration, tende na 100 wa switulu. Laha u chayelaka hi 50 rand ku tlhela ku va na leswi: muganga premium leyi ku nyikaka 15000 rand, tende na 200 wa switulu. Yi tlhela yi va na legal advice. Muganga super premium ya ku nyika 15000 rand, yi tlhela yi ku nyika vanhu va ntlhanu vo pfuna masiku manharhu. Muganga cash only benefit laha u kumaka 50000 rand loko u chayela hi 140, kasi loko u chayela hi 120 u kuma 10000 rand. Ku kuma vuxokoxoko bana riqingho kumbe whatsappa eka 064 755 5674. U nga ha kuma vuxokoxoko na le ka website ya vakhandlegroup.co.za kumbe u rhumela rungula eka email info@vakhandlegroup.co.za. Vakhandle Group, we are family.
Jaimito, mfana wale msambikani, no me, my baba jaro kula impacha tanu na jiti, imanimi amukalaka, de chane the metos, the channel that matters the most. Ambo kwata, yay! One lava, our love. It doesn't go. Imanimi amukelaka, the only channel that matters to watch. Yeah. Ilemaku. Video lemtiseri wa yona hiva Vakhandle Group. Lo mla ujoina Vakhandle dial fama ka Google fuka u type ku www.vakhandlegroup.co.za kumbe u nga tirhisa this advert leyi yi tirhisaka ka video leti mi nga mi kuma ka hinkwako ka tona hinkwato. So i society ya kahle swinene, and I'm just details ta kahle ngopfu, and how you can make money out of it, you know.
No combo. Yeah, no combo tendlan. Amo mitana la bangwan mita mitanya. Mitolo lo kujama la mahala la nyamau. Yeah. Nina biya ni biya la kusatel. Ni ban. Ngwaku.
Nto ya pile
ngwaku. Wanta rin ngwaku.
Azang warno.
Ngwaku.
Bras kan rumah ka mama.
Ngale bichumu mino. Mesa kungonyiwa.
Kan rumah ka mama. Mutibi mama ka bra.
Kungonyiwa.
You don't know my mom.
Who cares?
You don't know my mom.
Fuck off.
I can arrest you for doing.
For doing what? Did you not include your mother?
You are unruly.
I missed this changan. Ngwaku, I got mana wena. Yeah, ngwaku. Ngwaku. Machimba. Ngwaku. Ngwaku. I'm tola vele mali ku hava mali. Ami nga ikumi mitazami ku vo. Mitazami ku vo. Mitazami tiphandela kufana gagashi. Hayi machimba la mfamba mtshwandlala lama. Mikongonyini. Pakanti beke fire. Nyamau. Na repeat, nyamau. Wanitwa nivula live. Nyamau. Ramatsonga nshoko anga va kwatini hlambala ni tirhisa. Swi nge tsakisi loko se swi fika ka the department leti a ni fanekele ni pfuneka ka to. Va ku this person mangitsundzuka hi loyi a nga tshama endla swa so. Swa matikhomelo ma so. So matikhomelo ma me I'm proud more. That is why I came here to apologize. I came here to say, South Africa, I am sorry. Please forgive me. The conduct leaning I get the officers on duty. I regardless what did they say, I regardless what did they do, but from the conduct meaning I end like a riboniwa aka video. I am very, very sorry. there are things that bona va nga swi endla na ku swi vula kambe a mi swi vonangi even then ka voniwa swa mina hi swona swi nga na nkoka sweswaku leswi nga voniwa swona hi swona va vonaka swona swi nga na nandzu and na sweswiwani I'm here to say ku ri leswi mi nga swi vona hinkwaswo hi swona swa wrong swona swi nga tshamisekanga swa ku va ni tirhise marito ya tihlamba marito ya ku delela marito ya ku kombisa ku ri ni vavisekini a ti ri koho tindlela ta ni fanele ti tirhisini unfortunately loko a ni lo endla timfanelo ta le patwini leti vo tala hi hanyaka hi toho ta ku veri ku na coco na hina leswi na swona nawu nga pfumeliki because nawu wu ri loko ku ri na lava lavaka ti-bribe wi kona namba ra kona you can call the number ya ku va va kota ku helisa vukungundzwani eka ti-department so unfortunately lexi ni nga fika ni xi endla ni fike aka ti-officers ni nga vi loyi a ni fanele yena kambe loyi a ni fanele va yena a ku ri ku va ni landzelela mithetho lowu a wa vula ku ri this is what I'm supposed to do so hi ku komisa aka the officer Doyoyo and his colleague I'm very sorry I apologize
let us decode Philani look a rhukatela the traffic cop and why Gagash used that opportunity the way he used it and why he wouldn't do the opposite, right? So number one, what is the decode? To decode ukuthanhlashi lexi nga complex lexi nga hlangana and then uxi endla xi va xi hlamuseleka so we're decoding that hi le ka mihlolo I think episode 102 mina na n'wina so xa ku sungula we must deal with the root problem. What is the root problem? Hinkwenu ma traffic ma tiva ku loko o za u va vona hambi everything you know is in order va ta xopaxopa xilo va ze va xi kuma na xi xa unnecessary va ku hakelisa ndzi this other day ku ri mehe mapapa ani sure mara a hi na goodwill movie goodwill a khome biya goodwill is a passenger se a va ta n'wi khomela sweswo goodwill mbeya n'wani I goodwill manganyi so mara like enough mako traffic cop le la police leswi ma traffic a ku ri munhu wa Xitsonga so we had to reason with him so yina when this is they want va lava hi va khongela ma traffic was this is va la ku khongeriwa fano va ncangancenga stuff like that abo hi leswi va nga hi xiswona vanhu lava so the root problem is the corrupt officials lava tirhaka mapatwini and the abuse that they use for swikhwama swa vona because alternatively loko wo ka u nga va busy va ta ku pfalela exitokisini kumbe va ta ku khomisa va ta khomiwa and stuff like that you get arrested or va teka movha wa wena va ku charge ku ba hi ti-fines noma swi hakela mali ya ku tala loko swi ya ku theleni ku hambi u lava ku baleka loko ya ku theleni ta swi kuma swi yo phayelana leyi va ku kota 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 so that's what the root problem is because va lava ku dya you ngo tshembi va hola lava tirhaka so they get to abuse their power of the uniform. They're not powerful, those people. All traffic cops are very useless, including Gagash. They are useless. Even police officers, they are very useless. The only time where you get a chama police, look what lava were. Man, where I pull a case, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Bange akunga zangu durwa xibamu kumbe mani yo basata lo hola ku pfuniwa unge va ku they won't come. That's how useless they are. Mara welo kova u joyini iswaku nelo uyibona veni hunza nga lavo ho chuwa. That's how powerful they are. Loko va lava wena, they are only powerful when you are scared of them. So point ya mina eku these people are so corrupt and va gwajisa vanhu va abuse the drivers because va la mali va la ma 20 rand ma 50 rand and vanhu va loko hinkwenu loko hasileni Philani famela la mthimbane la ku aya ku hasileni ya zama xingu lo sa hlafa mali ya ku hlaya famba ya pambula ya ngwela mali muni mthimbane loko la ku va phefemela ma 1.5 oh so that's the point there. Philani va n'wi tekele mthelo for whatever reason. It means Philani was not cooperating before a nghena ka live. Why Philani went live? Obvious ala ku rhukatela. He wanted to expose them And Philani was right to take that video. Mara sungwanta ngena maharare ni asala rwanga. Bana maku umtsoniwa. Loko zo vana ikota ku khoma phone ya live a unge vi umtsoniwa itiva ku khoma phone ya live. U tlharihini wa tiva. That's another thing that Philani did. But anywhere where you see corruption arises, expose it. That's what Philani did. Right? The most useless thing that Philani did, I would rhukatela the officials. But now our rhukatela informally ahloniphiwa. But now our rhukateliwa Philani. It matters not kuba ku join or not. Since you have a video, una evidence. But let me tell you something, women are still a permissible evidence. So suna endle go take a video wena o ungatwana na mina o ni record ya kare vulavula swilo court nga fika yi dismiss ku nge swi tirhisi swilo because o ni record outwana na mina. That is why munhu anga ku record ku endlisa swilo asuka airport a will into evidence anga nge swi tirhisi swilo because loko a record nga twanangi na wena. So that evidence may not be allowed to work, but the public is there to judge to see, okay, this happened. But the law is the law. So that video it take a video that I exposed that guy, rhukatela, that was wrong, that was very stupid of Philani. But you know, I no problem. Mar, those people, they abused him. One way or the other, they abused Abala man. They wanted nothing but man knew. Because after the rhukatela, they had all the reasons to arrest that guy. Wrongfully or rightfully so, but they had all the reasons to arrest him. Because they have the power to do so, they can call back up and do everything and get him arrested on the spot. They have the power there. They have the uniform. There's no power. I mean, security like we don't see you as that security guy. We wanna ask this guy. So that's the point. So the issue here is abuse of power for Nyong, not for any other thing, not to hold people to account and to make people comply with the laws. So why Gagash did whatever he did to support Maphorisa. Gaga is an employee in the department there, so he can't, even if Alata Joker is shown, another Joker plan, he wouldn't do that. Why? Because I encourage the public and Gagash is influence, remember? So that you may not abuse your influence against your colleagues on the road. So no alo and Sumanian Abateva Pinda suspend the food for 3 months. Nanumu 3 months in Yuguma Guna. So Abatava suspend for how many months? For 3 months. Kuba Sasalabati publicly so. Right? So Mara is using that, you know, Gagash is always on top of the game, very relevant. Walaba, it has a good bomb. So, Shumwane Shingash notice I live Lea Philani. Equal. It's the Maphorisa Lama. Kuwazamago. That's the greatest thing ever. So, as I close this video, my overall perspective to this thing, Philani was wrong in everything he did. Comply. Those people like Lotano abusing, just go open a case against them. Don't get them arrested. Let them compensate you for the abuse. 17. Get them arrested. Like each and every state thing that abuses you, you can report it to the police station or you can go to the public protector. Like there are offices, man. You can report them. There are many ways to get them to account. So, in a nutshell, let us learn how these things operate. Way to hold this one account. It is right in all matters, in all ways. Mara because rhukatela in official, uniform Philani, uniform yahloniphiwa. Uniform yahloniphiwa. Jamie to me na mfano na msabekani mina, I'm out.